Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a McDonald's going 5 miles.
In 100 feet, turn left.
Give me just a minute, I'll be right with you, okay?
I just had a DoorDash pickup. Thank you. That one said leave at door, but the customer's message said I'll be out front. I didn't see anybody out front, so unfortunately that order is sitting on a puddle on your front steps. Total ended up being $8, so pretty decent start. And we got the next order right away. This is a Subway going 3 miles. Never mind on that one. As I was arriving, I noticed the customer name and remembered that they are a problem customer, so went ahead and unassigned that one. I've only delivered to them once before, and I don't think it was on camera, but basically in their drop-off notes it says, please get me an ice water and a few other things. There's like an actual list of things, as if you were going to a grocery store, and of course I didn't do any of those. Yeah, you can only imagine how angry she was, let's put it that way. So we're definitely not dealing with that today. But we got the next order right away. This is a Donut Nook going 5 miles. Thank you. Total for that order ended up being $8, another decent one. And we got the next order right away. This is a Starbucks. I believe this one was 4 miles.
I know, it's crazy, right? Yep, there it is.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What was that? Yet another $8 order? I'll take $8 orders all day if they're as quick as these have been. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 3 miles.
Yeah.
Towel?
For towel? Yes, thank you so much.
Total for that was $7. Okay. Could have been a lot worse. It was only one drink after all. And next order up is Donut Nook going 8.5 miles.
Good morning.
Morning.
Have a good day, buddy.
Total for that order was $12 and change. A lot higher than I was expecting, to be honest. Thank you. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 4.5 miles. This house is so annoying to get to. It's up this hill that's like not even on a paved road. I was a little worried that it might have been like too muddy to even scale, but we made it, barely. Also, I don't even know how much I made off that order because that was in a dead zone. And as soon as I got back online, it's given me a new order. So I'm just gonna assume that was a no tip. This next order is a Starbucks going just under 4 miles. Morning.
Hi, good morning. Thank you very much.
Have a good day. Total for that order was $7 and some candy. Thank you, thank you. I totally forgot. Yesterday was Halloween, so let me know if you guys dressed up or did anything special for Halloween. Also, we got the next order right away. This is going to be Burgerville going 6 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
So much.
Yep, there you are.
Appreciate you.
Have a good one. Total for that one was just under $8. Next up, we've got a Starbucks going 4 miles. Only one drink. Not looking too promising so far. There it is. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Just got the next order. This is McDonald's going 3 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Love leaving.
You too. There you are. Have a good one. No tip on that one. Total ended up being $5. Just got the next order. This is a Starbucks going 2.5 miles. Thank you. Hello. Just dropping off for Josie.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Total for that one was just under $7. We've got a Starbucks, $10 going 2.5 miles. I got the next order lined up right after this. It is going to be a shop and deliver for Target. This one is $13. It's either 4 items going 5 miles or 5 items going 4 miles. One of those two. Hello.
Oh, hi. I'll just hand it to you.
Yep.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Hit the button, but no one's coming, so I don't. Thank you. I need the. Oh.
Yep, I'll be right over. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, if I didn't have to wait like 15 minutes for somebody to come open up the case, this would have been a good order. This is just a drop off for Taylor P. Okay. Let me try giving him a call.
Hello. There's in the front of it, is there like the lobby area?
I'm in the lobby, yeah.
Is there anybody sitting around there?
Can I just leave it with you? Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be with the security up in the front.
Yeah, no worries. Thank you.
Okay, and can you tell them it's for Chelsea?
For Chelsea.
Oh, for Chelsea.
Yep. Like, I don't know, maybe mention that, question mark? We got the next order right away though. This one is Joe Brown's Cafe, $7 going 1 mile. Thank you. What is this? Earn $17 per active hour. Oh, ain't no way Uber's trying to do earn by time. Absolutely not. Okay, I think I'm just gonna call it here. Actually, nope, not yet. I totally forgot I had these. Of course, I gotta make sure that they are safe and there's no needles inside, right? That one looks clean to me. How about this bad boy? Looks good to me. Okay, let's go home. Current time is 10:11. Current total, we are at 108, and I think I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips. Should probably bring it up to 115, maybe 116. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.